Hail damage secrets your insurance doesn't want you to know. Secret 1. Your car could be a total loss if you don't get it repaired right away. If you wait until the end of the hail season, then it's possible that your car could be a total loss due to the amount of damage that multiple hailstorms can cause. Don't let this happen to you. Get your claim and your car fixed right away. Secret 2. You only have to pay one deductible per year with Dent Shop. Insurance will tell you that you have to pay one deductible for each claim. While this may be accurate to the policy that you signed, we know that this can be a financial burden on our customers, so we have decided to only charge you one deductible per year. By doing this, we make it an easy choice for you to give Dent Shop your business. Secret 3. Not all hail damage is the same. By waiting until the end of the year to address your hail damage, you run the risk of having a mixture of very light damage and very extreme damage due to the differences in the severity of hailstorms. In some cases, Dent Shop can repair your entire vehicle without the need for parts or paint, and that's better for everyone. So it's better to address each storm's damage as you go. Let the hail experts at Dent Shop walk you through your next claim so we can get you back on the road quickly.